Hey Glam dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this sultry smoky gray-eyed look that I achieved by using drugstore products. If you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. So I'm starting out by taking my concealer and I'm going to pat this all over the entire mobile area of my eye. And with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm going to blend this up towards my brow bone. And then I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep to set that concealer. And I'm also using this as a transitional color to help me to blend my eyeshadows together more smoothly. So now I'm taking my MAC Cosmetics Saddle Brown. I absolutely love this eyeshadow because it helps warm my eye up for the next application of color. And with a fluffy blending brush, I'm popping that directly into my crease and blending in a windshield type motion. And here's the affordable drugstore part. As you can see, with a pointed precision blending brush, I'm taking the darkest gray color right there and popping this directly into my crease, and I'm blending in a windshield type motion with a flat shader brush. And I took the lightest gray color and I'm patting that on the mobile area of my eye, bringing it up slightly into the crease, but not all the way into the crease. Fast forward, I did my false eyelashes and wing liner off camera. Here I'm just moisturizing my face, okay, prepping for my foundation, which is by Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. And with my facial blending brush, I'm going to stipple this all over the entire perimeters of my face and begin blending back and forth in a windshield type motion. Once I complete blending my face together, I kind of wiped off my eyebrow a bit. So I'm just touching that up. I'm now highlighting underneath the areas of my eye. So I'm using my Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser, which is by Maybelline. And I'm using the Maybelline Foundation Super Stay Stick. That's contour. I'm going to put that along the perimeters of my forehead and along my high cheekbone area. And with my Silicone Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend out that highlight. I'm going to blend out that contour. Move into my liquid highlighter, which is by LA Colors Cosmetics. Can you believe this highlighter was only $1? Look at that glow. Look at that glow. It was in Dollar Tree. And I'm going to quickly outline my lips, and followed by using my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lip B, which is going to be available for purchase. My lipsticks are infused with jojoba oil, vitamin E, and grapeseed oil. Color you see, you're definitely going to get. So now I'm just going to top it with a little bit of lip gloss. And okay, dolls, this now concludes the look. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything that I use will be down in the description box below. Check there for its details. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.